Imagine stepping into a living room where serenity washes over you like a gentle wave, where every element feels purposeful, yet effortlessly beautiful. Welcome to the world of Japandi design. If you're new here, welcome to Visionary Designs. We invite you to subscribe and join us on more journeys through inspiring interiors. Today, we're exploring Japandi, a harmonious blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. This fusion creates living spaces that are not just rooms, but sanctuaries for the soul. As we enter our Japandi living room, the first thing you might notice is the sense of space. The room breathes, uncluttered and open. Natural light pours through large, unadorned windows, casting a warm glow on pale wood floors. These floors, perhaps in ash or pine, ground the space with their organic texture. The color palette is a soothing symphony of neutrals, soft whites, warm beiges, and gentle grays. These are punctuated by touches of black, adding depth and definition to the space. This restrained palette allows the eye to rest, creating a sense of calm that's almost palpable. In one corner, a low-slung sofa in a natural linen fabric invites you to sink in and relax. Its clean lines speak to Scandinavian design, while its low profile echoes traditional Japanese furniture. Beside it, a simple side table in dark wood provides a striking contrast, its organic shape softening the room's geometric lines. Across the room, a built-in storage unit showcases the beauty of negative space. Open shelving displays a carefully curated collection of objects: a hand-thrown ceramic vase, a small bonsai tree, a stack of beloved books. Each item tells a story, yet the overall effect is one of simplicity and intention. Texture plays a crucial role in this Japandi space. A plush wool rug in a subtle geometric pattern adds warmth underfoot. Linen curtains filter the light, their gentle movement adding a sense of life to the room. On the sofa, a mohair throw in a deep charcoal provides an inviting touch of comfort. Art in this space is minimal but impactful. A large, abstract ink painting hangs on one wall, its fluid lines reminiscent of traditional Japanese calligraphy. Its presence anchors the room, providing a focal point that draws the eye without overwhelming the senses. Plants are essential in our Japandi living room, bringing a vital connection to nature. A tall fiddle-leaf fig tree stands in one corner, its large leaves adding a sculptural element. Small potted succulents on the coffee table provide a pop of green life at eye level. Speaking of the coffee table, it's a beautiful example of Japandi design. Crafted from pale wood with sleek black metal legs, it embodies the perfect balance between Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. Lighting in this space is thoughtfully layered. A paper lantern pendant casts a soft, diffused glow overhead, while a streamlined floor lamp provides focused light for reading. As evening falls, these lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere that beckons you to unwind. This Japandi living room isn't just a space, It's an experience. It's a room that encourages you to slow down, to breathe deeply, to find beauty in simplicity. It's a testament to the power of mindful design, where every element serves a purpose and brings joy. As we conclude our journey through this serene space, consider how you might incorporate elements of Japandi design into your own living room. Perhaps it's the calm color palette, the emphasis on natural materials, or the thoughtful curation of meaningful objects. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which aspects of Japandi design resonate most with you? Share in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of Japandi living rooms, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, may your living space be a source of tranquility and joy. Sayonara and farvel.